safety notice. Yes, guys, DeWalt did it again. This is the DeWalt official site. Safety recall notice. Miter saw August 4th, 2022. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers will perform. My subscribers next. Well, I'm not buying miter saw, at least DeWalt, anytime soon. Alright, so we got the safety recall notice. I did see this at the Home Depot and Lowe's Facebook groups. They've been posting it all over the place. You got DeWalt model number DWS779. You got DWS780. And you got DHS790 miter saws. So what happens is the plastic rear guard assembly can break, shatter when struck, exposing the saw blade, posing laceration hazard. So basically you can cut yourself with the blade. You know, it breaks off, the guard blade breaks off and stuff like that. And you can hurt yourself basically, or cut your finger off, your hand, whatever. Alright, so you got DeWalt model number. You got the model number there. It is designated DHS790AB or DHS790AT2 on the box there. Alright, so you got only date codes from 2019, my bad. 2019 04 to 2022 04 are affected. So if your miter saws are made in between those dates, it's affected. You got the date code as described. You got the year 20XX, which is the year. And you got YY the week. And then CZ is the plant code, either CJ or 49. If your saw does not have a date code or you cannot locate it, please contact us. It says click here to download the complete recall notice. And I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video in case you guys have one of these, or you know somebody that has one of these. Make sure you guys let them know about this, or give them this video. Alright, share this video. So you got the model number. This is where you're going to be locating the model number. It's beside the motor compartment, or the engine, or not the motor, not the engine. You got the date code. So the date's going to be on the plastic part, or it's going to be here by the batteries. So just depending on where, what type of model number you got. You got, if the saw is marked with the green or black dots as indicated in either of these two locations below, it already has been inspected and not affected. So if it has black or green dots, it's already all like it says right there. So if it has black or green dots, make sure you guys look at these dots. And if you guys got a dot, then basically you should be fine. So if your miter saw is affected, stop using it immediately, because you can cut your hand off. Repair kit request form. So you do fill out your information here. They'll send you basically repair kit for your saw. And you got the address, shipping information, address, country. If you have any questions, need assistance, we'll contact DeWalt's toll-free number between 8 a.m. 6 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. Repair kit installation video. So I guess it's just simple. According to what it says, or what it's showing right there. So you take a couple screws and take out the guard and put the new one in there, or whatever they send you. Guys, I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.